If your car refuses to start or suddenly dies in the middle of a busy intersection, you might be staring at a P025D error code, which is a clear signal that your fuel pump module is seeing a voltage that is way too high. In the old days, fuel systems were simple, but modern fuel injection requires intense precision and high pressure to keep your engine humming. The fuel pump control module acts like a brain for your pump, telling it exactly how much fuel to send based on what the engine needs. And when this circuit goes haywire, your engine is essentially starved of its most vital ingredient. Now, before you call a tow truck, there is a classic old-school trick you can try if your pump is located inside the tank. While someone else tries to crank the engine, give the bottom of the fuel tank a firm but careful thump with a rubber mallet. If the car starts up, you have just confirmed that the fuel pump itself is sticking and needs to be replaced. However, since this specific code mentions a high control circuit, we are often looking at an electrical malfunction. This could be a frayed wire rubbing against the frame, a melted connector, or even a faulty engine control module sending the wrong signals. Always start by checking your battery and charging system first, because low voltage elsewhere can cause modules to act crazy. Also, take a look at your fuses and relays. A blown fuse can sometimes lead to these control codes. Working with fuel is inherently dangerous because of the fumes and the risk of fire, so please be extremely careful, wear your safety gear, and make sure there are no leaks before you start poking around with metal tools or testing wires with your multimeter. Finding a pinched wire along the frame rail might just be the simple fix that gets you back on the road without a massive repair bill.